So PSD2 is a fresh legislation in Europe. It's a directive and it means Payment Services Directive 2. And it was implemented in Swedish legislation in the beginning of 2018 and in the Finnish legislation during the same year. But now the tools to utilize PSD2 were implemented as well, those regulatory technical standards, and those have been live from September 2019, and now different players on the financial market are able to launch services on top of PSD2. And PSD2 creates new innovation on the financial market, and many new acronyms have occurred on the financial market after the financial crisis approximately 10 years ago. So PSD2 is one of those. It's a great change, and open banking is the bank's way to open their account information data sets and provide APIs on top of that.
Okay. And how does these two things change your company's work?
PSD2 and open banking, they represent new business for us. Those are new data sources to understand a person's ability to pay and for instance, income streams. So new data sets that can be analyzed and utilized, for instance, within lending. And it's always the end user, the payment service user, the account owner who decides whether she wants to give the consent to access the bank account. So it's up to the end user to decide whether he or she wants to benefit out of PSD2.
Okay. And in your work with PSD2, you have partnered up with Red Hat, right?
That's right.
Why is that?
Well, we have a long history with Red Hat. We've been using their services for quite a while, and for PSD2, we built on the Openshift product that they provide.
And what are the benefits with the Openshift, you think?
Well, Openshift is a fully packaged cloud platform, so there's everything from the actual running of the application down to stuff like metrics and logging. So we have all these pieces that have been put together before the solution, so that we can focus on fixing actual business problems.
Okay. And how can you work with Red Hat and Openshift in the future?
Well, certainly once PSD2 goes live and we see the benefits of it running on Openshift, all the initiatives that are starting to build on top of PSD2 will be also built on Openshift.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.